Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine at your places. Students, today I am going to explain the topic, that is surface areas and volumes, which is chapter number 13. Students, first of all, in order to understand this topic, we have to understand plane figures and solid figures. What are the plane figures? The figures having two dimensions, length and breadth. And examples are rectangles, squares and circles, etc. On the other hand, solid figures are three-dimensional, having length, breadth and height. And examples are cube, cuboid, cylinders, etc. So, students, we find the surface area and volumes of the solid figures. Because solid figures enclosed some space or occupy some space. That occupied space is called the volume of the solid figures. Is known as the volume. And shape of the plane figures is rectangle is like this. This is square and this is circle. This is triangle. Now students, we will see the shapes of some solid figures. See, this is cube. Cube is like a dice, means example of cube is dice, and it is length, it is breadth and it is height. And cuboid is similar to cube, but in cube all the three sides or all the three dimensions are equal, but on the other hand in cuboid all the three dimensions are not equal. Then come to the right square pyramid. This is the shape of the right square pyramid. Now come to the sphere. The sphere is circular, and example of sphere is ball or shot put. This is the radius. Here we have no height because in circular things we have only radius. Then come to the rectangular prism. See, this is rectangular prism. This is length, this is breadth and this is height of the rectangular prism. Then right circular cone. See, this is right circular cone. This is radius. This is height. This one is height and this is the slant height. Students, it is called right circular cone because the angle between radius and height is 90 degree. So it is called right circular cone. If angle is not equal to 90 degree, then it will not right circular cone. Similarly, it is right circular cylinder. This is the radius and this is the height. Similarly, the angle between radius and this height is equal to 90 degrees. So, it is called right circular cylinder. Otherwise, it will not a right circular cylinder. Now, students, we will discuss about the total surface area of these solid shapes. Students, first of all, I want to tell you that what is the difference between total surface area or lateral or curved surface area. The difference is, in total surface area, we include all the solid shape. But on the other hand, in lateral surface area or curved surface area, we exclude the bases. Clear? That is the difference. Now come to the cube. The total surface area of cube is 6s square. Right square pyramid, total surface area is equal to s square plus 2sl. Where L is the slant height. Next is sphere. The total surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Then come to the rectangular prism. The total surface area of rectangular prism is 2lb plus 2hb plus 2lh. Students, the total surface area of rectangular prism and cuboid is same, because the rectangular prism is also in the shape of cuboid. Then come to the right circular cone. The total surface area of right circular cone is pi r square plus pi r l, where r is the radius and l is the slant height. Then come to the right circular cylinder. The total surface area is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, where r is the radius, h is the height. And students, we are talking about the total surface area. Remember, we are including this whole cylinder. In the case of lateral or curved surface area, we will exclude these bases. Now students, we will discuss about the volume. So students, what is the volume? Volume is the space enclosed by these solid shapes is called the volume, or space occupied by these solid shapes is called the volume. First come to the cube. The formula for volume of cube is S cube. S, all sides are equal to S, length is equal to breadth is equal to height. So volume is equal to S cube. Now come to the right square pyramid. The volume is equal to 1 by 3 S square H. Means S square and H. We will not include here slant height. Now come to the sphere. The volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here we have cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now come to the rectangular prism. The volume is equal to L into B into H. Students, the volume of rectangular prism is same to the cuboid, because the shape of cuboid is same to the rectangular prism. Now come to the right circular cone. The volume of right circular cone is 1 by 3 pi r square H. Here we will not include the slant height. Here we will include the height of the right circular cone. Now come to the right circular cylinder. The volume of right circular cylinder is pi r square H. Means pi and square of the radius and height. So students, today we have discussed the plane figures, solid figures, shapes of the plane figures and shapes of the solid figures. We have also learned the formulas of the surface area and volumes of the solid figure. In our next video, we will learn how to solve the related questions. So students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood. Thank you. Bye-bye.